Hey guys, Christine here with Essentially Styled. Today I want to share with you an opportunity that Little Rose is putting out there for all of April. I have talked before about our $89 enrollment kit, and I will have that be the next video that pops up at the end of this if you want to see that, and I'll link it down below for our traditional regular $89 sign up kit that has $300 worth of product and a lot more in that. But for the month of April, they are offering a kind of a step down kit for $49 that still has amazing products in it, $120 worth of accessories. And I want to show you a little bit about what you would get with that. And again, this is for all of April. So it comes with this little perfect bag that is great for traveling. You can put all your hair accessories in it or makeup. I mean, it's a good size little bag, and it's got our traditional polka dots inside. But with that, you also get, I'm going to show you a purple sport in the bag, but you also, I'm going to dig through here and grab, there it is, the black sport. This has just come back. It sold out immediately when the sports first came out. We've been waiting to get the black color back. So you'll get a black sport and a purple sport. They'll come in a little bag like that. You will also get a flip. This is the Rhonda flip. And it could change and vary if we have a ton of people sign up, but most people are going to get the Rhonda clip, and this is the small flip that can be worn both ways. If you haven't seen the flip tutorial, make sure you catch that. You will get a U-pin. Now this is, I'm showing you the yellow one. It's going to be lime green, likely, which is like this kind of lime green. So this in lime green. Which is fun. You will get one with a knot extra small, a Celtic knot that is perfect for just about any hair thickness. There's so many things you can do. I have a video dedicated to all the things you can do with an extra small. Then you will get some pink fun hair mascara, which it highlights well in dark or blonde hair. And you will get a 4-ounce bottle of our detangler. Now, the first 100 that sign up starting tomorrow on April 1st, no April Fools, will get the 8-ounce bottle. So the first 100 that sign up and enroll will get an 8-ounce bottle. Anyone signing up after that from enrollee number 101 on will get the 4-ounce bottle. So you'll still have it. They last a long time. So that's an amazing product. You will also get some basic business supplies, some business cards, some catalogs and brochures on some of the different products and how to use the products. So we're super excited to offer this. Again, it's for April only, and it's over $120 worth of product for $49. When I signed up in 2014, I signed up with a $49 kit that was just 5 flexi clips from mini to medium. Maybe there was a large, but I think it was just a medium. So this is so much better than even that. And I wasn't disappointed back then. It was a great option. So our regular kit is still available at $89 and for over $300 worth of product. You can always add on the Fast Start kit if you are wanting to jump into this and do shows and whatnot. But this kit is a great option for those who maybe like the discount for themselves, want to share with their friends and family, or buy gifts for friends and family throughout the year. So it's a great opportunity to do that. There are no monthly quotas for you. If you want to remain active actually this year you get it as a freebie, but if you want to remain active ongoing by 2023, you would need to have a $200 total. That's it. I mean, it's cumulative annual, not monthly, just annually. But this year for 2022, it's kind of a gimme, a freebie. You can remain active and keep that discount. So it's an awesome opportunity. If you have questions, please reach out to me. I would love to answer any questions you might have. And I'd love to have you join my team. Well, if you have any questions, let me know. You have a great day. Bye-bye.